How to like or heart a text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Scroll down and open any chat from here. You can now view all the messages in this chat. Scroll up or down to find the message you want to react to. Then, tap and hold message till the reactions appear. As you can see, you can now view and try out all the reactions on this message. For example, the heart react. You can change or remove the reaction whenever you want. This way, you can use the same process for any text that you want. Following these steps, like or heart a text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.